Before installing the Peer Management Center, we recommend that you read the Peer Management Center prerequisites to make sure your environment is fully compatible. The prerequisites can be found in the Peer GFS User Guide, which is in the Peer Knowledge Base. To find it, browse to the Peer website at peersoftware.com. Click the Resources tab, followed by Knowledge Base. Then expand Peer GFS and select Peer GFS User Guides. Then click the HTML Help Manual. Expand Installation and Configuration and click Requirements and Prerequisites. Click Peer Global File Service Environmental Requirements. Let's take a moment to review the minimum Peer Management Center requirements. First, install the Peer Management Center on Windows Server 2012 or later. This must be a dedicated server. Physical servers are preferred, but a high-performance virtual machine can also be used. For customers with basic or standard Peer GFS licenses, ensure that the machine has at least 4 processor cores and at least 4 GB of RAM. For customers with an enterprise Peer GFS license, ensure that the machine has at least 6 processor cores and at least 8 GB of RAM. For customers with a data center Peer GFS license, ensure that the machine has at least 8 processor cores and at least 16 GB of RAM. Finally, ensure there is at least 100 GB of free disk space on a reliable, fast hard drive or SSD to accommodate the installation and the log files that will be created.